Alright, this is a bench test of a wind tunnel dual V Hoover vacuum cleaner motor. I just pulled the motor out of this vacuum and it runs, but I'm going to bench test it for you. And it's a 12 amp motor, and I'm going to actually be selling two motors. The vacuum cleaner suction motor and the vacuum cleaner brush motor. Both motors, one money. Anyway, it's already set up on my bench. There it is. And we're going to plug it in and see if it runs. Bench test number 1. And this is for the brush drive motors. The brush drive. We'll see if it works too. Mosquitoes. And bench test on the drive motor. And it works also.